I've got some Black Rifle coffee, double shot espresso, salty caramel from the clearance aisle. It says to shake gently. La 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 la, gently, gently. Maybe not gently enough. Kind of squirted a little bit. All right, here we go. That is really nice. Smooth, creamy, caramely. A little bit of saltiness, but not overly much. Yeah, this is tasty. So I'm going to give it like a 4.5. Super good, super yummy. You should go get some. Black Rifle, if you want to sponsor me, I'm good for that. Just send me coffee. It'll be great.